Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Nemo from Finding Nemo. Let's start with the head first. Draw an ellipse. Draw an inverted U shape above the ellipse. Draw eye sockets. Draw eye sockets. Draw mouth. Draw teeth. Draw eyes. Draw eyes. Draw body. Draw tail. Draw fin. Detail the body. Detail the body. Draw fin at the top. Draw left fin. Draw right fin shorter, as it's a special for Nemo. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.